Hello and good afternoon. My name is Sean Woolley and I'm here to talk about Maybank and their human resource practices and whether these practices should be adopted into your company. Malayan Banking Berhad is a Malaysian universal bank with key operating home markets of Malaysia, Singapore and Indonesia, which offers a comprehensive range of products and services that includes commercial banking, investment banking, Islamic banking, offshore banking and many other services such as internet banking and stockbroking. Now I would like to be talking about human resource practices in Maybank, which among many would include digital upskilling, which is meant for helping employees adapt faster and easier. For Maybank, the workplace of the future is far more people-centric. No doubt the future workplace calls for unprecedented change due to the invasion of technology, but technology does not define the workplace, it enables it. Maybank still believes that people are the key to unlocking and charting new pathways, and in this role, skills are the ultimate game changer. Maybank commenced their digital upskilling journey in 2018, making them the first bank in the country to embark on such a massive feat, where they brought employees onto a minimum level of digital language and comprehension. They also strengthened their current learning and development programs by including digital skill sets that they knew would help employees adapt faster and easier. Maybank found this to be an incredible opportunity to change how people learn, work, and how they work all together as an organization. Apart from that, Maybank also introduced workplace enablers like their Go Ahead, Take Charge platform made up of 4 pillars of reskill and redeploy. Flex in, flex out, which is flexible work arrangements, and entrepreneur, which helps their employees adapt and be agile in a changing digital workplace, where the physical location and boundaries are no longer hindrances to effective communication, collaboration, and productivity. By reskilling and redeploying their current talent, Maybank matches people's aspirations with the group's resourcing needs and facilitate job rotations and inner-sector transfers. Flexible work arrangements are intended to create flexible conditions that will enable Maybank to balance their objectives of achieving a highly productive, harmonious work environment that is responsive to the changing professional and personal needs of today's workforce. Maybank also offers sabbatical leave that enables their employees to take formal breaks from their career for a minimum duration of 2 months up to a maximum of 24 months with a guarantee of remaining employed. Apart from that, Maybank also introduced Maybank's Humanizing DNA, which is helping people do their best work. We have a different expectation of work itself now. We have evolved. We are constantly figuring out how and where our people can do their best work to collaborate, solution, communicate, and achieve their personal and professional goals. This is part of who we are, our humanizing DNA. Amidst all the policies, Maybank places importance on the people taking time out, their performance improvement conversations which provides real-time corrective feedback. Being an industry leader, their performance levels of their employees have always been the topmost importance to them. To sustain their achievements, they have always redesigned the way they enable breakthrough performance. It can take place anywhere and anytime and is no longer restricted to conventional mid-year reviews and year-end assessments. Immediate actions for improvement will therefore be agreed on, acted on, and tracked for the next performance conversation. This is also about giving voice to all their people to be heard and to encourage new ideas. At Maybank, it is truly about their people. Their well-being and success have a direct impact on the organization's competitive advantage. Maybank have put in a place of holistic wellness strategy that encourages a self-leadership approach where employees are empowered to take charge of their own well-being with support from peers, line managers, and top management. By taking charge of their own state of well-being, Maybank encourages their employees to maximize their potential in which would enable them to flourish, stay relevant, and be productive at work and in life. Finally, there is Crowdivation, which is the innovative solutions to everyday business problems. The workplace of the future for Maybank is envisioned to be boundaryless and structureless. Yet at the same time, it allows for human connection, letting people understand who they work for, what the core values and the culture of Maybank are, and setting a stage for a more collaborative, transparent, respectful, and responsible workplace. This is translated into the idea of Crowdivation, which is a gig workforce space for Maybankers to learn, collaborate, and experiment with innovative solutions to everyday business problems in a sandbox environment. To conclude on my presentation that has just been stated, due to strong evidence pointing to these practices having a lot of benefits to the company who implements them, I believe that you should definitely implement these HR practices into your company with the liberty of changing of a bit of the detail to better suit it to your company's industry and size. This can and would indefinitely turn your company into one of the industry leaders, as can be clearly seen in what has been achieved over at Maybank. Thank you so much for your time.